I have the number 9 and I am asked for the square root of that 9, I can say the answer is 3. I can also say it's negative 3, so it's actually plus or minus 3. And the reason is negative 3 times itself gives me 9, just like a positive 3 does. All right, so I'm going to get rid of that. That's just a basic idea. And I'm going to say, what happens if we ask for the square root of a negative 9? Well, that means what number times itself will give me a negative 9? There is no number in the real number system, meaning the number system that we use most frequently. Well, mathematicians, and it turns out electricians, needed solutions to these type of problems. So they created another number system, an additional number system called the imaginary number system. This allows us to continue to calculate this and more advanced equations for whatever purposes we have in mind. So here's what I mean. Here's how that works. When we have the question, what's the square root of a negative 9? The answer is 3, but for the negative, to account for it, we're going to call that I for imaginary. We're going to say our answer is 3i. Similarly, let's look at another example. What's the square root of negative 25? Well, the square root of 25 is 5, and because of that negative, which normally causes us a problem, we're going to say that's an imaginary 5. It's in that set of imaginary numbers, and it allows you to continue on for your calculations for whatever purposes you have in mind. One more example. Suppose you are asked for the square root of a negative 12. Well, that's a 4 times 3. So, again, the negative is going to come out as the letter I. The 4, we know the square root of 4 is a 2, and the 3 is stuck under there.